Hello, today I'm going to show you the best and recommended way to change your profile picture on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 PC. Now to do that, first we want to head over to your start icon. So you click on your start menu. Now when you click on your start menu, you are going to see your profile here. So on your profile here, you just want to click on your profile. You are going to see a preview of your profile. Now under your profile you see something like manage my account, so you just click on manage my account. Then it's going to take you to this place. Now another way you can access this, the easiest ways, you just come to your search. Then all you have to search for what? Your info. So you just go ahead and type your info. Now when you type your info, or you can probably even search for your account info, so any of them, your info or your account info is going to show you the search system settings responsible for your info, which is exactly what we are looking for to change our profile. So if you click on it, it's still going to bring you to the same place as before. Now when you come here, this is your profile here. You can see what I have here is blank, so we want to set the profile here. So what you want to do is you come down here. Microsoft has given you two options here: by camera or browse for one. So if you want to do with camera, you just have to click on the camera. Now this will ask to access your camera, where you can take a video of yourself, or you can use browse for one. So I'm going to use the browse for one. So if you click on browse for one, this is going to navigate to your project folder, navigate to your Windows Explorer. Now you are going to navigate to wherever the image you want to use for your profile is and select it. Now I'm in pictures, which is where I want to go to. So I'm going to select one picture I prefer here. So let me just pick any picture at all. Then we just go on choose picture. Now once you see this is going to load and your profile picture has been changed for you successfully now. So this is the way we can change your Windows profile picture on your PC. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.